October 4th, 1965. Historic Plea. Pope Paul VI made history by becoming the first sitting pope to visit the United States. Arriving in New York City, his mission was both spiritual and political, marked by a profound plea for global peace amid Cold War tensions and the escalating Vietnam War. The Pope's most iconic moment came during his address to the United Nations General Assembly, where he called for nations to renounce warfare and emphasized the importance of diplomacy. In his stirring speech, Pope Paul VI declared, "No more war, never again war," directly appealing to world leaders to pursue peaceful solutions and prevent future conflicts. This visit underscored the Vatican's growing role in international affairs and its moral authority in advocating for peace. The Pope's U.S. visit also included a historic Mass at Yankee Stadium, where tens of thousands of American Catholics gathered to hear him speak. His brief but impactful journey lasted only 14 hours, yet its significance resonated far beyond that day. The visit emphasized the global reach of the Catholic Church and solidified the Pope's role as a mediator on the world stage. Pope Paul VI's appeal for peace was timely and critical, as the Vietnam War was rapidly intensifying and civil unrest was growing within the United States. His visit strengthened U.S.-Vatican relations and marked a key moment in the Church's engagement with modern geopolitical issues. His words left an enduring legacy, reminding the world of the power of faith in guiding political discourse. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history.